What's up, y'all? It's your girl Misha, and this was my easy, my booty easy. And today we are gonna do his hair on our YouTube channel. We're about to start making like little family videos and stuff. So I always do his hair, and I don't let nobody do his hair. Okay, no girls do his hair, and I don't do niggas' hair. We don't play that. But he had this for his birthday. He just had 2 hands to his 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. He had 18, 2 hands to his first birthday. So I'm just about to refresh all these, and I'm actually turning it to braids. I just really do love my man, and we just really do love each other. We're really blessed. First, I'm spraying some leave-in conditioner. I'll be using it on the kids, and I only bought it because it was on sale at the dollar store. So I just run my hand in. So right now, y'all just see me putting the edge control and the braiding gel on the entire part. That's how you get it to look super slick and icy. And then after I put it on the hair itself, I'm actually going to go back and apply it to the part as well, just so it can have crispy lines. And I really do that part first, but this time I did it backwards, but it really don't matter. After you put all your product on, next you're going to start combing it all the way through. And let's just get rid of like all of the wrinkles and lumps and humps and just make it super smooth and sleek. Once you have it all combed super sleek and as you want it, then you will start to braid. You see that I'm combing up as well too, so I can get the back of the neck area, the kitchen area, so that can look smooth as well too. Now it's time to grip the hair into braiding into the plait. So you're going to pull it all together super tight, break it into 3 pieces and start your braid. You want to make sure you're braiding tight and gripping as you're braiding. So that way the plait and everything you just comb together can stay nice and neat. After you finish braiding, you can always go back with your edge comb and just comb back at the base where all the hair is and use like the end of your comb just to smooth it out. This is what I meant when I said I'd like to apply the product on the parts first before I apply it to the actual patch itself.
You ain't never had the views lounge house?
Yeah.
No. I've been to my other club. And I was at a gay club with my friends.
I guess I got a lot to teach my new babe, huh?
Yeah, no way.
Can I live?
Yeah, I think I can.
Alright, bitches. I'm about to go meet Fancy at the gay bar. It's way too motherfucking straight up in here for me. Harlow, what's my tag? Alex, girl.
Do that to you, baby.
I was shocked too. Okay, his old ass ain't leave me nothing. He ain't leave me 50 cents. But I never went to see him like in the hospital.
She knows what to do to the That's only for the dog. I go crazy if she put a motherfucking fingers through another nigga's scalp.
My child and I got married.
You can't do that. That's not allowed.
HIV tested, STD tested, every 6 times.
Click a nerve.
We are not doing that. This is not your fault. But you and Charles can work it out.
Just have real love, and this man is just so damn crazy. Like it's crazy. look finished.
Yes, yes.
Boom, 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 singles with the shells. He wanted extra short on all his braids, so I put them on my level.
She did her thing.
Let me show you. Turn around. Alright, keep that. Where's your turn? Yeah. That's how you do plaques with shells. Right.
That's how she do her man plaits.
She loved it. Tell me what she
These
did.
hands only go in her man hair, and that's it. Let's believe that.
You're crazy.
For real, for real. I don't think another nigga can see this and get this. Yeah, because I get very
My face is
fucking.
good, boy.
I don't like that.
Alright, we out of here, y'all. Peace.
I get very insecure about this lady.
I'll show you. Or tell them bye.
Bye bye.
See ya.
We bring them choppers out.